Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stock on the M1 Finance app. First, open the M1 Finance app on your device and log in securely. You will then navigate to your Invest tab, which displays your overall portfolio. This is where you can manage all your investments and initiate any selling actions. We will cover selecting specific investments, confirming your sale, and understanding the process in detail over the next few slides. Once in the Invest tab, select the Sell button. You will then choose which specific investment, or slice, within your portfolio you wish to sell. You can opt to sell a specific dollar amount, for example, $500, or a percentage of that particular holding. It's crucial to review your selection carefully to ensure you are selling the correct asset and amount before proceeding to the next step. M1 Finance operates on specific trade windows, usually once per day. Your sell order will be executed during the next available window. After the sale, the funds typically take 2 business days to settle. This means the cash will be available in your M1 Spend account or for withdrawal after this settlement period. Plan your transactions accordingly. After your funds have settled, you can easily transfer them to an external bank account linked to your M1 Finance profile. Remember that selling investments can have tax implications, so it's wise to consult a tax professional for personalized advice. Also, for a fantastic way to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.